Taking a full look at weather now. Weather Authority Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca tracking the weather pattern that is coming our way. We've seen some of it already.
We went from the summer where nothing happened to right into the rainy season, it feels like, here across the region. A weather system came through on Sunday, another yesterday, and now one on its way overnight tonight to bring more rain just in time for your morning commute. We can track another one behind that, which will kind of be here Saturday night, and then perhaps the biggest of them all, another system just on the edge of the globe on this map that will be here on Sunday, and that's going to bring potentially some heavy rain to the region. Let's track those once again. This first system coming through overnight. Now, unlike the one that came through yesterday, they kind of stalled over the Santa Cruz Mountains and just kind of rained and rained and rained, light rain, and didn't really make it to southern Monterey County. This one's actually going to move all the way through as we head through the overnight. So the southern valleys may get a little bit, not a lot. It's not a big system coming through. Light to moderate rainfall. We'll go hour by hour through your morning commute in a moment, but here's that Saturday system. It kind of sneaks in and then just kind of fades away Saturday evening, but already on its heels, so it's that stronger one I was mentioning. So this one has a good tap of moisture, an atmospheric river, if you will, and it looks like it's going to be about a moderate atmospheric river. There are some indications earlier that it might be strong, the difference meaning more or less moisture, but moderate atmospheric river pointed toward the west coast. And this is 5 a.m. Sunday morning, and it's really pointed to Northern California. Think of this as the fire hose. Last January, we had the fire hose come in. It just kind of swept across us a couple times, and that's why we flooded and why we had the debris flows, because it was here for a couple days. The good news is this one is going to bring some beneficial rainfall to the area, but it's going to move through once, it looks like, just slowly passing through as we head into Sunday afternoon here, working its way into the Monterey Bay area, and then late Sunday evening into Monday morning, slowly working down into southern Monterey County before moving out of here. So it's going to make one pass with beneficial rainfall. There still will be some concerns for some hazards, but the good news is it's much needed rainfall. Beyond that, we may get a few more showers next week, but that Sunday storm is going to be the big one. And we need the rain. We are in drought, obviously. No change to the drought map this week. We continue to sit in extreme drought for our viewing area with the far eastern fringes and exceptional drought. Let's talk about some of those impacts, though, Sunday to Monday. Here's what we're expecting, and the potential for some gusty winds there as well. That could mean power outages, block roadways, and even some property damage. I'm not expecting any extreme wind, so widespread at the moment not expected, but isolated instances of this will certainly be possible, and that could change as the storm evolves in the coming days. Minor flooding possible. We're talking areas that typically flood when we get heavy rain. You know, if your street floods often, it's probably going to do that late Sunday into Monday morning. We do have the potential for some debris flows in those burn scars, but I don't expect any major issues. If you live near those areas, though, just be prepared. On top of that, it's going to stir up the ocean quite a bit, so we've got that going for us. Otherwise, overnight, temperatures staying in the upper 50s. We're in a mild air mass as this cold front comes through. We will see rain starting to move into Santa Cruz County about 2 a.m. or so, and then slowly move its way across the rest of the Monterey Bay area. So as we work to 5 a.m., you're seeing that rain start to work its way through a little bit in a more of a moderate sense. As we head into 6 a.m., we'll see it moving back to Salinas and Monterey and Hollister, and then farther south as we head into the late morning hours tomorrow. So again, right around the Monterey Bay, expecting most of that water to come through just in time for the morning commute, and then slowly working down south in the late morning. Overall, not a ton of rain with this system, but we could see up to an inch in the Santa Cruz Mountain cities around the bay. Most of them will be between 1/10 and 1/4 of an inch, with some higher amounts possible around Santa Cruz. Let's quickly go through your temperature forecast tomorrow. Got to fly through these, so find your spot on the map. 65 in Santa Cruz tomorrow. Watsonville, Salinas, Hollister, mid-60s tomorrow, so a cool down from today's highs. Monterey tomorrow, low 60s, same across most of the peninsula, and then down south, highs may approach 70 in the far south, but generally a cooler day given that cooler air mass behind the cold front. So over the next 7 days, AM showers tomorrow. We get a break Saturday with maybe some sprinkles late, and then rain coming on Sunday. It's been trending earlier, so we'll watch that, and then potentially heavy into Monday morning. Beyond that, a few showers possible into midweek next week, and then looking at our inland forecast, we've got rain tomorrow again. Not clear skies, but mostly sunny skies Saturday, and then rain Sunday, Monday. That's going to be the big storm, so make sure to stay tuned to the forecast.
We sure will. Thanks, Dan.